Award-winning sander Mirka LEROS is set to revolutionize the world of sanding. This ergonomic tool is the lightest wall and ceiling sander on the market. We'd like to introduce you to the people who made the Mirka LEROS a success by making the impossible possible.
It had taken a long time and the road had been tough. We tried to kill the machine. We sanded tons of plaster and we invented Newton's fourth law.
It all began with a clear market need. We did detailed research. There was a dialogue with our end customers and we learned that weight and flexibility are the most important features for the end users. They told us what their challenges were and we listened. There was no room for guessing. First, we got the idea to put a stick on a Leros. That would give us a great wall sanding, at least we thought so. The feedback we received from customers was that the backing pad was way too small to sand walls with. But we didn't give up. We continued testing with a bigger pad.
We thought it would be easy to just put a bigger backing pad on Leros and a stick. The technology is the same in both Leros and Leros, but we ended up using only one part of Leros. Some people told us that we were idiots and the idea was stupid. Oscillating backing pads are used in other sanders, not in wall sanders. So I changed focus and started working to prove once for all that Leros was not something that we should invest in. I started to test a prototype. It was bouncy and it made a lot of noise and it didn't achieve full speed. But in my head, I got a vision of a working Leros and the opposite happened. Instead of killing the Leros, Leros became my baby.
When the first working prototype of Leros was ready, we started testing it. You can't imagine how much plaster we have sanded over the last few years. During one of the biggest lifetime tests, we sanded a total of 10,000 kilograms of plaster, which is also the largest single test we have ever carried out.
During the Leros project, we tested several solutions and most of the time ending up with something completely different and surprising discoveries. And the result is that Leros is unique and out of the box. You won't find a wall sander like Leros on the market today. We will turn the sanding world upside down. We are going to recreate the market just as we did with Mirka LEROS. Or should I say, oops, we did it again.